Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a different wallpaper on lock screen and your home screen for your iPhone. For this one to work, just scroll down on your screen. So you're going to see this one. Just hold anywhere in the screen right now, since this is going to be your lock screen. So hold it up, wait for it to looking like this to pull out, click on customize on the lower section. So right now you're going to see home screen and lock screen all together. You can edit them individually. For example, if I want to edit lock screen right there, like so, I can now change the wallpaper on this one by simply clicking on this button right there. I can change the style. If I want to, I can change the widgets and the date moving forward. So if I click on the gather button, I can just choose a wallpaper to work with. For example, that one, right? I want to use this wallpaper right there, or that one right here, and simply have it over there. I can now adjust it to my liking. If I click on done right there, it will save as the wallpaper moving forward. And by the way guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.